Hey there! Did you know that brain diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia are some of the biggest killers in the United States? It's true. The American Heart Association says that almost 3 million people in the US had Alzheimer's or something similar back in 2017. And that number is only going up as folks get older. But don't worry, there's something you can do about it. You can actually protect your brain and keep your mind sharp. And it all starts with what you put on your plate. That's right, certain foods can seriously boost your brain power, improve your memory, and make you less likely to get those scary brain diseases. And the best part? They're not only good for you, but they're also yummy and easy to make. So if you're ready to learn how to eat your way to a better brain, stick around. This video will show you the 10 best foods for brain health after 50, and you might be surprised by what you discover. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Blueberries. First up, we've got blueberries. These little guys are packed with anthocyanins, which are natural pigments that give them that awesome blue color. Anthocyanins are also a type of polyphenol, which are plant-based compounds that act like superheroes for your body, fighting off damage and inflammation. Think of antioxidants as your cell's bodyguards, protecting them from oxidative stress that can mess with your DNA and cause aging and disease. And anti-inflammatory agents? They're like the firefighters, putting out inflammation that can lead to long-term problems like diabetes, arthritis, and even Alzheimer's. One of the coolest things about blueberries is that they can supercharge your memory and executive function, which basically means your ability to plan, organize, and juggle multiple things at once. Studies show that eating just a handful of blueberries every day for 12 weeks can make a real difference in these brain skills, especially for older adults. Plus, it can lower blood pressure and help your blood vessels work better. And guess what? It's probably those awesome anthocyanins that are doing the heavy lifting, increasing blood flow to the brain and keeping your neurons and neurotransmitters happy. Another perk of blueberries is that they might even lower your risk of dementia, which is when your mental abilities start to decline and affect things like memory, language, and reasoning. Dementia is more common as people get older, and it can be caused by different things like Alzheimer's, stroke, or problems with your blood vessels. Blueberries might even help your brain grow new brain cells and keep them alive, which makes your brain more flexible and resilient. Pretty neat, huh? Number 2. Fatty fish. You've probably heard that fish is brain food, but do you know why? Well, it's because fish is full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are like the building blocks for your brain cells. They help your brain grow and stay in tip-top shape, especially as you get older. Studies show that eating fish regularly can protect your brain from damage caused by problems with your blood vessels, which can lead to cognitive decline, dementia, and stroke. Plus, eating fish can calm down inflammation, another thing that can hurt your brain. But here's the thing, not all fish are created equal. Some have more omega-3s than others, and some might even have mercury, a harmful metal that can actually damage your brain. So, how do you pick the right fish for your brain? According to the experts, adults should try to eat at least 8 ounces of seafood every week, which is about 2 to 4 servings. Oily fish like salmon, tuna, Atlantic mackerel, herring, and trout are your best bets because they're loaded with omega-3s. But you should try to avoid or limit eating big fish like swordfish, ahai and big-eye tuna, orange roughy, marlin, and king mackerel. These guys tend to have more mercury in them, which can outweigh the good stuff from the omega-3s. Number 3. Broccoli. Next up is broccoli, a cruciferous veggie that's bursting with nutrients and good stuff that can protect your brain as you age. Broccoli has more than your daily dose of vitamin K, which is like a brain booster for cognitive function and memory. It also helps stop calcium from building up in your brain, which can lead to Alzheimer's. Broccoli also has this cool molecule called sulforaphane that can help your brain repair and grow nerve tissue. Plus, it might even dial down inflammation, oxidative stress, and neuronal death, all things that can make your brain deteriorate. And that's not all. Broccoli is also a good source of vitamin C, folate, and flavonoids, which are like those superheroes we talked about earlier, fighting off damage from free radicals. They also help get more blood flowing to your brain, which is super important for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your brain cells. And when it comes to eating broccoli, you've got options. You can munch on it raw, steam it, roast it, or toss it into salads, soups, stir-fries, or casseroles. You can even try broccoli sprouts, which have even more sulforaphane than regular broccoli. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Good news, chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate isn't just delicious, it's also loaded with flavonols, which are plant-based substances that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Flavonols can get your blood pumping to your brain, improve oxygen levels, help your nerves function better, and even lift your mood. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, check this out. A 2014 study found that adults between 50 and 69 who took a cocoa supplement with lots of flavonols for 3 months did way better on memory tests than those who took a low flavanol cocoa supplement. Another study showed that young adults who ate dark chocolate with high flavonols had better memory and reaction time just 2 hours later compared to those who ate white chocolate. And in 2017, a review concluded that flavonols might actually help your brain adapt and learn. So how much dark chocolate should you indulge in to reap these benefits? While there's no magic number, some experts say that a moderate amount of 70% or higher dark chocolate, about 1 to 2 ounces a day, is enough to get some health perks without overdoing the sugar and calories. Number 5. Oranges. Oranges are one of the best sources of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that shields your brain cells from damage and inflammation. Vitamin C also helps your brain make neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which control your mood, memory, and learning. Studies show that people with higher levels of vitamin C in their blood have better brain power and are less likely to get dementia. Oranges also have special flavonoids like hesperidin and naringenin that have been shown to improve memory and cognition in both animals and humans. Experts suggest eating at least 1 orange a day or drinking a glass of 100% orange juice to get your daily dose of vitamin C. Number 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are like little treasure chests of minerals that are essential for your brain, like magnesium, zinc, iron, and copper. These minerals help your brain cells talk to each other, produce energy, and stay healthy. Magnesium is especially important for your brain because it can improve your mood, sleep, and memory. If you don't get enough magnesium, you might feel anxious, depressed, or even develop neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Zinc is another VIP for your brain because it helps it develop, learn, and remember. Iron and copper are also crucial because they help transport oxygen and create energy for your brain cells. Not getting enough iron or copper can make you tired, give you headaches, and even lead to brain disorders like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, Menkes, and Wilson's diseases. So, next time you need a brain-boosting snack, grab a handful of pumpkin seeds. Number 7. Eggs. Eggs aren't just a fantastic source of protein, they're also packed with nutrients that support your brain function and memory. Eggs have choline, a nutrient that helps your brain cells communicate. Studies show that choline can improve your cognitive performance and make you less likely to develop dementia. Eggs also have vitamins B6 and B12, which are essential for keeping your nervous system healthy and preventing your brain from shrinking. Folate, another B vitamin found in eggs, can help ward off depression and cognitive decline. And don't forget about lutein, an antioxidant that protects your eyes and your brain from damage. According to Harvard University, eating up to 1 egg per day is perfectly safe and healthy for most people, even those with diabetes or heart disease. But if you have high cholesterol or other health issues, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before you start adding more eggs to your diet. Number 8. Coffee. Coffee is one of the most beloved beverages on the planet, and for good reason. It not only tastes amazing, but it also does wonders for your brain. According to a Harvard brain expert, coffee can boost your memory, mood, and alertness by increasing serotonin and acetylcholine, 2 neurotransmitters that are essential for brain function. Coffee also has polyphenols, those awesome antioxidants that protect your brain cells from damage. And it has trigonelline, a compound that might even prevent blockages in your brain's blood vessels. But how much coffee should you drink to get these perks? Well, the sweet spot seems to be between 2 to 4 cups a day, or less than 400 milligrams of caffeine. This is the amount that has been shown to lower the risk of dementia, Alzheimer's disease, stroke, and cognitive decline in older adults. But of course, this can be different for everyone. So pay attention to your body and see how coffee makes you feel. One more thing, make sure you're drinking high-quality coffee that's dark roasted and freshly ground. This will keep unwanted chemicals out and maximize the flavor and aroma of your coffee. Number 9. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has tons of health benefits, especially for your brain. Turmeric can actually cross the blood-brain barrier, which means it can go straight to your brain cells and protect them from inflammation and damage. It can also reduce the buildup of amyloid plaques, which are sticky proteins that can mess with your memory and cognitive function. Curcumin can help clear these plaques out and stop them from forming in the first place. Turmeric can also boost a brain hormone called BDNF, which helps your neurons grow, survive, and communicate better. Plus, it can improve your mood and memory. A study from UCLA found that people who took curcumin supplements for 18 months had better scores on memory tests and were less depressed than those who took a placebo. You can add turmeric to your food, drink it as tea, or take it as a supplement. Just remember to pair it with black pepper, which helps your body absorb it better. Number 10. Nuts. Nuts are a nutritional goldmine for your brain, especially if you're over 50. Walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts, and peanuts are some of the best nuts for brain health. Walnuts are especially good because they have omega-3 fatty acids, polyphenols, and other nutrients that fight damage and inflammation. Almonds and hazelnuts are packed with vitamin E, which is linked to less cognitive decline as you age. And peanuts are high in niacin, which has been correlated with a lower chance of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's. One study even found that eating more than 10 grams of nuts a day could improve cognitive function by up to 60% compared to those who didn't eat nuts. The ideal amount is about 60 grams or 1/4 cup of mixed nuts per day. But keep in mind that nuts can be high in calories, so watch your portion sizes and balance your nut intake with other healthy foods. Remember, what you eat plays a huge role in keeping your brain healthy as you get older. But before you make any big changes to your diet, it's always smart to talk to your doctor first. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.